Dear students, after covering elements of design, now it's time to study principles of design. Today we will cover first topic in detail, that is balance. In this unit we will study following topics in principles of design: balance, rhythm, emphasis, contrast, movement, harmony, proportion and scale. The principles of design describe the ways an artist uses different elements of design in a composition. What is design? Design is the creation of a plan or convention for the construction of an object or a system. It may be an architectural blueprints, engineering drawings, business processes, circuit diagrams or sewing patterns. Design has different connotations in different fields. Design is what links creativity and innovation. It shapes ideas to become practical and attractive propositions for users, clients or customers. Design may be described as creativity deployed to a specific end. Balance, a sense of equilibrium. When establishing balance, consider visual weight created by size, color, texture and number of objects. Balance is the concept of visual equilibrium, and relates to our physical sense of balance. It is a reconciliation of opposing forces in a composition that results in visual stability. Most successful compositions achieve balance in one of two ways: symmetrically or asymmetrically. These are some images showing concept of symmetrical balance. Symmetrical balance can be described as having equal weight on equal sides of a centrally placed fulcrum. It may also be referred to as formal balance. When the elements are arranged equally on either side of a central axis, the result is bilateral symmetry. This axis may be horizontal or vertical. It is also possible to build formal balance by arranging elements equally around a central point, resulting in radial symmetry. This is called radial balance. Radial balance is any type of balance based on a circle with its design extending from center. A star, the iris around each pupil of your eyes, a wheel with spokes, and a daisy, among many flowers and other plant forms, are examples of radial. Have a look on inverted symmetry balance. Asymmetrical balance, also called informal balance, is more complex and difficult to achieve. It involves placement of objects in a way that will allow objects of varying visual weight to balance one another around a central point. It just means that there are no mirror images in a composition. The term, however, is usually used to describe a kind of balance that does not rely on symmetry. In photography and image processing, color balance is the global adjustment of the intensities of the colors, typically red, green, and blue primary colors. An important goal of this adjustment is to render specific colors, particularly neutral colors, correctly. Balance using shapes. Large flat areas without much detail can be balanced by smaller irregularly shaped objects since the eye is led towards the more intricate shape. Balancing a composition involves arranging both positive elements and negative space in such a way that no one area of the design overpowers other areas. Everything works together and fits together in a seamless whole. The individual parts contribute to their sum but don't try to become the sum. Thank you students. This is all about balance. Go through your notes.